Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Remove and reset the SIM, then test it in a second phone to prove whether the problem is the device or Vodacom. Once done, check your account balance and plan status so you're not blocked by an expired bundle. Make sure automatic renewals are off if that matters. Finally, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds. This forces a fresh network registration and often clears transient faults. Now you focus on settings that control connectivity. Set network mode to automatic so the phone can fall back between LTE and 3G. If automatic keeps failing, force LTE only briefly to test. Next, manually search and select the Vodacom network to avoid roaming mismatches. Choose the strongest cell if multiple appear. Then reset the APN to Vodacom defaults, save the profile, and reboot. This ensures data routing and authentication. For the final steps, first test with a new, activated Vodacom SIM. A faulty SIM card is a common single cause, and replacing it resolves many cases. If the issue persists, contact Vodacom support with your MA, M-System, and precise outage times so they can escalate to RAN or provisioning teams. Insist on a ticket number. If all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because it clears corrupted settings that may block network registration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.